In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google Docs, a fantastic tool for creating and editing documents online with ease. Whether you're working on a personal project, a professional document, or just jotting down ideas, Google Docs offers the flexibility to help you manage your work effectively. So let's dive in. The first step is to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Docs homepage. Once you're on the Google Docs site, you'll notice a variety of templates available, but for today's tutorial, we're going to create something from scratch. To do this, find and click on the blank document option. This opens up a clean slate, giving you the freedom to create your document as you see fit. With your blank document now open, let's focus on setting up your text format. At the top of the screen, you'll see a toolbar with various formatting options. Click on the normal text drop down menu, which allows you to choose from different text styles such as headings and titles. This is crucial for maintaining a consistent look throughout your document. Each document type may require different heading styles depending on its purpose, so feel free to explore and select what's most appropriate for your needs. Now, with your text style chosen, it's time to adjust the document settings. Go to the top left corner and click on File. A menu will appear with several options. From there, navigate to Page Setup. This is where you can tailor your document's layout. When you click on Page Setup, a dialog box appears letting you configure the page margins, orientation, size, and color. For most standard documents, setting your margins is key. In the dialog box, set the margins to 1 inch on the top, bottom, left, and right sides. This ensures your document looks neat and professional, while also printing well if you need a hard copy later. Once you're done adjusting the margin settings, it's important to confirm your changes. Simply click OK in the Page Setup dialog box. This not only saves your changes, but also applies the settings to your active document. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the basics of setting up a Google Doc. Mastering these initial steps ensures that you're able to format documents effectively, setting a solid foundation for any future work you choose to tackle. Google Docs is a robust and versatile tool, perfect for collaboration and solo projects alike. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with its features to find what works best for you. I've enjoyed walking you through the